Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew sauce. First, begin by sautéing your aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery until softened, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, brown your chosen meat, such as beef or lamb, in the same pot to create a rich foundation. This crucial step builds layers of flavor, ensuring your stew sauce is deeply satisfying and robust from the very start. Achieving the perfect consistency for your stew sauce is key. A classic method involves making a roux by cooking equal parts fat and flour for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a smooth base. Alternatively, a cornstarch slurry, made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water, offers a quick, gluten-free solution. Whisk it in gradually at the end to reach your desired thickness. To elevate your stew sauce, consider adding powerful flavor enhancers. Fresh or dried herbs such as thyme, bay leaves, and rosemary infuse a wonderful aroma and taste. A small amount of red wine, about 1/2 cup, or a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar can introduce a delightful tang and complexity. Don't forget a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste for a concentrated umami boost, making your sauce truly unforgettable. The final steps are crucial for a perfect stew sauce. Allow your stew to simmer gently for at least 1 to 2 hours, or even longer, to allow all the flavors to fully meld and deepen. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra touch of luxury, stir in a pat of butter or a tablespoon of heavy cream just before serving, adding a beautiful richness and sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.